Hey everybody, just wanted to get back with you, and I just want to tell you guys all about some exciting news, and just want to let you know that everything's going pretty good, and just want to introduce you to our technology. I know we really haven't got into it, and I just thought it would only be fair to talk a little bit about the technology and why we're so excited that we have the Trinity by Astanza, and the latest technology available for removing tattoos effectively. And we're talking about multicolor tattoos. This is the most powerful solution for colorful, all colors. Okay, even the most difficult reds, yellows, oranges, we're able to remove. And so, just to go over it, to get a little familiar with it, just wanted to show you up close. This is like a cuff, unlike a nuclear switch, right? Which I've never used it. We rarely have to use it, but in the event we do, we just push the button and we'll shut it down. And of course, we have this turns up the intensity of the laser light, just for see if we could see a little bit better. We just turn up the knob there. Okay, that's the aiming beam intensity. And then back there, of course, we got the laser aperture, which is just nomenclature for different parts of the system. And this is the laser, and basically, I know it looks a little complicated, but it's not. I can just bring it out here like this, and stretch it out. I got you in 3D, as you can see. I can move it around. It's basically an arm. Okay, take a look at that. Now we'll go ahead and these are our goggles back there. The ruby laser for the non-resistant black, for the high-resistant blacks and blues. And I'll turn it on here, give you a little idea of the screen, what to expect when seeing this up and close. Anyway, it's a very, very expensive laser, and it's beautiful, and it does everything that it says. It delivers just actually over-delivered as far as I'm concerned. I've seen some great results so far. And there we are. Okay. And that's our basic screen. I hope I can get in there tight enough so you can see where you can choose your source selection with whether you're going to use the NDA 1064 normally for the dark inks, the black inks, and or if you need to attack some of the greens and the blues and the non-resistant blacks, you would go down to the 694, the ruby, and then the 532, of course, for the high yellows, reds, and the more orange yellow colors. And there's where you have your options there. But it is the most powerful solution for color tattoos. It's got 3 wavelengths, and it's the best I've seen ever. And it's really groundbreaking peak power. The peak power is really important when you're trying to target inks below the skin and shattering them into fractions, microscopic fractions, so your body can absorb them and we could have some fading. Of course, we need to determine skin type. We do have to do a full assessment on health. There's some health questions we have to ask. But let's go a little bit further with the process here. We're going to go ahead and, in this case, since we're using a 4x4 millimeter head, that's what it looks like. It's they're color coded, and that is 4 millimeter. That's the actual size of the target size. And at 4 millimeters is one of the minimum energies applied to the first treatment, and it's normally let's see, where are we at? Okay. You said that before, that's already there, and you could. This is the lowest frequency, which would be the lowest, where it's basically if we double that, it'd be at 2, and then of course 5, which is pretty comfortable speed. And then some people like to go a little bit faster, and we pick up the frequency to about 10. Of course, the fluence here and can be adjusted with the radio button, or you can use this here and just click as far. You can go up to as high as basically a 7.5. You can go up to 7.5. With the fluence. And this is the 4 millimeter. You can see the light here. The 4 millimeter, that's what 4 millimeters looks like on your skin. We're not going to fire it on my hand now, of course. So we'll just go ahead and shut it down for now. But I wanted to show you a little bit about the technology and how excited I am to be part of something so amazing. And the results are incredible. I've seen in just a couple of months the results that a few clients have showed to be an amazing results. So in signing off from Fresh Start here in Austin, Texas, I want to wish you a good night and hope that you were able to enjoy the video.